We just made it to our location to go kayaking at. I think for the rest of the week, I think I'm just going to be vlogging on the GoPro because my Sony camera is just, it's not really a good working camera anymore. So that's what I think I'm going to do. There's Grandma and Grandpa. But we're going to go kayaking down there and get some amazing footage for you guys. We are out here on the lake. I'm hot and sweaty because I just kayaked all the way out here. It's a good like 85 degrees. Hi, Mom.
Hello, it's beautiful out here.
It is. Yes, there is storms coming out right now. Jacob is, I could hear Jacob yelling in the background. I don't know if you guys can hear him. But yeah, I am here just floating on my kayak. Here we go. Time to start kayaking really, really fast. Guys, Jacob is right there on his new inflatable boat. Is this your first time using it?
Yes, it is. And I have a motor for it, but the drill battery shut off on me.
Yes. Let me paddle over there so I can show you guys what his boat looks like. I keep getting moved from the wind. There's a huge storm coming.
Boat.
That's the inside. Pretty
Inside.
cool.
Now, I have a drill.
Yes, you do have a motor.
Deck,
you do have a motor for it, but yeah, but the motor is dead right now. You just gotta charge it. Alright guys, we're gonna be going on a bike ride around the campsite. Right, Mom?
Yes. Gregory will show you some of the campsites that we enjoy around. I mean, all of them are really awesome campsites. But he will give you guys a tour, a bird's eye view from his GoPro.
Yes, let's go. Hello.
Hello. Oh, let's go ride.
Why are there cones here?
I don't know.
There's also cones in the other one too.
I know.
Interesting. I am. Yep, yeah. Oh, whoa. We just made it back. Whew. Riding up that hill, that's hard.
Oh,
That
okay.
counted. What about if it hits this, it counts.
Okay.
Hello, Dad.
Hello.
Some hamburgers.
Your drinks out of the ice
There's
chest.
some
too.
hamburgers there.
Alright, I'm gonna snag a burger.
Guys, I'm waving my food down, getting the bugs off. Got a nice hamburger, potato or pasta salad, potato salad. It looks good. It was amazing. Now it's time for some dessert. S'mores. 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 What are you doing? I got
Be quiet, you guys. I want to hear a ring.
2018.
yes.
Be quiet.
I know there's a storm
Be quiet,
coming. What's
you guys.
up? What? What do you want to be quiet for? The rain?
It's raining today at Pine Grove.
Yes. Yes. Storm's coming in.
Lightning and thunder.
Yep.